Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the development of human embryo. Like in the previous class, we had studied about the changes from an egg to embryo, in which we saw the zygote is formed, cleavage occurs, then the 2 cell stage, 4 cell stage, 8 cell stage, and finally comes the 16 cell stage followed by morula blastula. After the blastula is formed, implantation occurs. Now, what we are going to study is in the form of trimester. We know the period of gestation is of 9 months. So, if we divide it into three, it becomes the first, second, and third month comes as the first trimester, 4 to 6 month as the second trimester, and 7 to 9 month falls under third trimester. In fact, in the third trimester, the development of all the body parts are completely over. It is just the phase of growth. Now, let us start with the first trimester. What happens in the first month? The first organ to be formed is the fetal heart. So, by the end of the first month, heart of the fetus is formed, and the heartbeat could be heard with the help of a special stethoscope. By the end of the second month, the limbs and digits are formed. Whereas by the end of the third month, you will observe that these limbs are almost developed now. Limbs will have proper toes and the fingers are completely developed. But along with that, some vital organs like the liver, kidney, brain, all such vital organs are formed in the third month. So this is by the end of first trimester. We can say by the end of first trimester, main development of organs is completed. Now, whatever slight modifications are required, this will occur in the second trimester. So, the fourth month, in the fourth month, what is noticed is the fetal heartbeat. Now, the fetal heartbeat could be heard clearly. The fetal heartbeat could be heard clearly, as well as these limbs and joints which are formed, they are now ready to move. So the joints and limbs, they have started their movement. Now you must have heard about that baby ne kick mara. So what is that? It is observed in the fifth month. For the first time, movement of the limbs is felt by the mother. So by the fifth month, movement of limbs could be felt by the mother, and it is very clear. Now, by the end of sixth month, what could be seen? See, by the end of the fifth month, one more change could be observed. That is appearance of hair on the head. For the first time, head hair appears. Whereas in the sixth month, the change noticed is in its body hair. Appearance of fine body hair. Fine body hair appears. Also, the eyelids that we have, they are initially joined. Now they start getting separated. Even the eyelashes start forming. So eyelids will separate and eyelashes will be formed. So this is by the end of the second trimester. Whatever little bit growth is left, that would be completed in the third trimester. So we can say third trimester is the stage where it will only attain growth. The fetus is only attaining growth. By the end of ninth month, it is ready for parturition. That means delivery. So parturition would be induced by fetal ejection reflex. In the previous class, we had seen that there are some hormones which are meant to induce uterine contraction. We saw that the placenta secretes relaxin, which helps in relaxation of pubic symphysis. It also helps in dilation of the cervix, and oxytocin, which is inducing uterine contraction. Not only that, the prostaglandin also induces uterine contraction. So altogether, this initiates the fetal ejection reflex. So this is all about the different trimesters of development of human embryo. Thank you.